All right, so we have one more graphic, and here we go again. Another negative thing. More women are dying from Alzheimer's.
More women are getting Alzheimer's, a lot more than men.
In fact,
2 in 3. 2 in 3 women, 2 in 3 individuals with Alzheimer's in this country are women. And in fact, that actually represents about 3.3 million women in the United States. That's a huge number.
What about upper respiratory infections like pneumonia? Are there stats on that? Because I hear
there are.
She's like, yes, and let me find them. Because it's everything. Where women are leading the way, and it's not good.
There are. They're anatomic, they're biologic, they're socioeconomic factors that deal with a lot of these infections and how we either get the infections and how we respond to treatments for these infections. Women actually tend to have more upper respiratory infections. Men tend to have lower respiratory infections. So in fact, at least for pneumonia, women are at a little bit of an advantage. We have less pneumonia than men do.
How about diabetes? Because that's common too in our society today. We're hearing it more than ever, unfortunately, because people are not moving enough and not eating healthy. So how do we fit in there?
So obesity, as you know, is a huge risk factor to developing diabetes, and women, unfortunately, are more obese than men. Also, if you are a woman, you're much more likely than a man with diabetes to get a whole range of other chronic illnesses, like hypertension, like cardiovascular disease. So again, we're more susceptible to other diseases if we have diabetes as compared to men, and we're also likely to receive less appropriate treatment. And women are tended to be screened less often for something called polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is a precursor or good risk factor for the development of diabetes. Also, gestational diabetes. Women frequently can develop diabetes during pregnancy, so it's very, very important to women to be aware of this, and of course the practitioner to screen appropriately for these things as well.